Welcome to another video quiz from Access Learning Zone. This one's for beginner level users. It's got 5 questions covering Access tables. You'll get 3 seconds for each question, so hit the pause button if you need more time because you're still busy eating second breakfast. Keep track of your score so you can see how we did at the end. Are you ready? Let's head out of the Shire. Question 1. What is Datasheet View primarily used for in an Access table? A. Designing fields and setting data types. B. Adding and editing records. C. Creating printed reports. Or D. Teaching the table to do spreadsheets. That's going to be B. Adding and editing records. Question 2. In Access terminology, what is a row of related data in a table called? A field, a column, a record, or a worksheet? That's going to be a record. Remember, records are rows, fields are columns. Question 3. What normally happens to an AutoNumber primary key when you begin entering a new record? A. Access automatically assigns a new value. B. You must type the next available number. C. It copies the value from the previous record. Or D. It waits until the database is printed. That's going to be A. Access automatically assigns a new value. Question 4. In an Access datasheet, what does the pencil icon beside a record indicate? A. The record is locked permanently. B. The record contains a spelling error. C. The record has been deleted. Or D. The record is being edited and has not yet been saved. That is D. The record is being edited and has not yet been saved. It is dirty. Just like filthy hobbitses. And question 5. When you enter a date in an Access date time field without including a year, what year does Access normally use? The year 1900, the current year, the next calendar year, or whichever year the database was created. That is going to be the current year, the current system clock year. All right, how'd you do? Did you get all 5 right? Are you a grand archivist of the 7-meal census? Or are you still looking for the any key between 11sies and lunch? Well, if you missed any, these topics and a lot more are covered in my Access Beginner Level 1 class, Lesson 6 on entering data. It's absolutely free. You can find it on my website and on my YouTube channel. You'll find a link down below. Thanks for playing. Be sure to post your score in the comments and let us know whether your database is ready for the fellowship or still filing hobbits under livestock. And until next time, live long and prosper.